Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Those who regularly watch our videos know that in our garden we planted single-petaled and double-petaled blue butterfly pea plants. As you know, this plant has a lot of health benefits. Not only health benefits, it is also used for skin care, hair care, etc. Here my mom is pinching and pruning the plants. These plants are actually climbers, so this prevents the plants from climbing up too high. It also helps in lateral branching. Our plant was all well. It gave huge amounts of flowers, but one day it suddenly stopped flowering. So what could be the possible reason for this? The reason is that as our soil quantity is very less, we have to give weekly liquid fertilizers to our plants. But due to some work happening in our rooftop, we cannot take care of our plants that much. Therefore, we had only been watering our plants for the past few days. So as soon as my mom noticed that our plants are flowering less, my mom thought of pruning the plant once more for lateral branching. Not only for that, when we prune our plants, they get some kind of stress, and in this stress, they try to produce as much flowers as possible. So after pruning our plants like this, my mom gave us special fertilizers. I'll show you the special fertilizer a little while later. Till then, let me tell you some care of this plant. Make sure to give your plant 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Fertile, slightly sandy and well-draining soil will be perfect for this plant as well. Also give this plant regular watering. Now let me tell you the special fertilizer. This is actually coffee powder. Just mix the coffee powder with water, and in case you do not have coffee powder, you can also give tea leaves. And here my mom just now gave banana peels. These are actually sun-dried banana peels. And as it is the rainy season, my mom added a little bit of turmeric as well. And after mixing this, make sure to put a lid above it. And keep it there for about 24 hours. And the next morning, we can give this to our plants. Also, do not forget to dig your plant's soil before you give this. Actually, you should dig your plant's soil before you give any kind of fertilizer. It actually helps the plant to absorb the fertilizer more easily and quicker. Also, during this process, if there are any weeds, it will remove all kinds of weeds from the plant's soil. That's all. We'll surely give you a review about this plant. Till then, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.